What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I kind of just wanted to go around Paris and show you, well, the Christmas lights because it's so pretty. But yeah, enjoy. I've made it to the Hôtel de Ville, which is the town hall of Paris. So this is the main one, and they actually started doing the lights pretty recently, so it's really pretty. You can eat and just chill if you want something cute and light in the middle of Paris.
Feels like I've been gone on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far, feels so far away.
Slay! Slay! Okay. Okay, so what's this street? Avenue Montaigne. Basically, yeah, so we were the first like here in the middle, and then they already left. There's people coming and going. Copycats!
Là, parce que genre t'es en train d'influencer des gens.
Ah non mais ils sont en train de forcer.
Non mais t'as...
So Place Vendome.
Life's back in color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris.
Not easy. I'm prendre des photos avec Santa not twerking. Oh mon dieu.
Midnight in Paris.
We're just gonna go around looking for the view and look at the windows.
Maybe I
Dans un petit coin à côté des valises.
that's right across the Notre Dame.
from all my closest friends, so I know they're real, they really love me, cause they like to play pretend. Summer hasn't started,
trop loin. It's just so small, but I think the teddy bear is just really cute and it's kind of worth the visit. So we're finally like at Village Royal and we walked all the way from Tuileries and then we went to Galeries Lafayette and we were supposed to go to the rooftop, which is really nice, but it was closed. This is the second time we tried and it was still closed. And honestly today's Saturday and it's not too cold, so it's super busy, super touristy. Definitely recommend that you come on a weekday or when it's like not, like, you know, the weather is bad. The weather needs to be bad if you don't want the tourists, so.
We're chasing one another, getting lost in another summer. Never wanted it to end. Now I'm losing all my friends. I'm reminded of the pain when I'm on the interstate, me and the moon, and we think of you. Remember when we sat out in the football field, watch the sunset and
Bon, le Audrey fait des photos, genre c'est beaucoup trop artistique. Audrey, elle a deux doigts d'aller dans les oreilles des gens, genre. J'ai entendu des trucs pas très
and I'll go home.
Je fais comme Wema, je fais aussi une petite vidéo.